some accounting terminology. Let's understand because it is very much required in Tally. Okay. The first is what do you mean by sundry debtors? Group of debtors. Who what is a debtor? Who is liable? So suppose I have given you 10,000 rupees. Are you debtor to me? Sorry. I have given you 10,000 rupees. He is saying that the person who is liable to us or payable to us is a debtor. I have given her 10,000 rupees. Is she a debtor to me? Who all says yes? Raise your hand. Let us first finish it. Somebody, I am paying 10,000 rupees to her, right? She owes to the business. She has to give me back. I am not doing charity work. She is not my sister. She is not my friend, right? So she owes to me. Now, is she a debtor or not?
Yes.
Yes. Who all says yes? Raise your hand. Okay, fine. Why not she I have given a loan. I have given a loan to her. It could be asset to me. Why only debtor? Trying to understand? So my way of defining debtor is whenever I am doing a business, when I am selling the goods on credit, selling of goods is very important. If I am just giving you money, that couldn't be termed as a debtor, right? I could have given her on loan, just a credit. Yes? Right? Is that making sense?
Yes, sir.
Am I saying correct?
Yes, sir.
Not able to understand. What I am saying? It's okay. See, I'm also sometimes like that. I will not understand the concept. It's okay, fine. I'll repeat it. So, I asked what is a debtor. My friend said that the person who owes money to the business is a debtor. What I am saying is, there could be some scenarios where the person owes money to me. That is correct. But in that cannot be termed as a debtor because there was no transaction of goods or services happening there. So I could have just given you the money.
Yes.
You cannot be termed as a debtor. If whatever business I am into, say suppose I am into the business of FMCG. What do you mean by FMCG? Fast moving consumer goods, which is Lux, Rexona, Lifebuoy, Parachute, Colgate, blah blah blah. Right? So if I am into that business, he comes to me, takes some goods from me on credit. What is happening over there? Yeah, I was a student as well. Right? Concentrate. If you want break, I'll give you break. But don't do anything. इधर से कुछ दे रहे हो, उधर से कुछ दे रहे हो. ठीक है? So the business that I am dealing in, if I have given the goods to you on credit, or if I am into service industry, what do you mean by service industry? Providing service. For example, if I am a CA, if I have done accounting for you, if I have filed an income tax return for you, and you have not paid money to me, then you are a sundry debtor to me. Understood the difference? Yes? Now you will be able to answer? So sundry debtor is the person who owes to the business because of the transaction that happened on credit. Sure. Next. Who is a sundry debtor? Right? Sundry debtor is the person to whom business owes because we have done the transaction on credit. Next. Accounts payable and accounts receivable. Bills payable. Next. Assets could be of two types. First is second is current. So what do you mean by fixed and current? Current assets are the assets which